Unknown caller, why do you bother? I ain't never gonna answer you. Unknown caller, why do you bother? I ain't never gonna answer you. If I had $1 for every unknown caller, I'd buy myself a home so I could live alone and not be bothered by this unknown caller. Hello, it's your drug dealer. I thought I'd call in case you needed anything at all. You know you can always call me just to talk, but I mostly want to sell you drugs. Drug dealer, drug dealer. Don't pick it up, it's your ex-boyfriend.
Hey, it's me, yeah. I just thought I'd call, see what you're up to.
Morning danger.
So, what are you doing lately? Yeah, that's cool.
This will only end in tears.
So, are you seeing anybody right now? Cause, oh no? Oh, yeah. Yeah, me neither, that's weird.
Don't answer.
So, maybe we could...
It's your mother calling you. You were totally gonna call her, but you forgot. Now she's calling you. It's the guy that you met last night, and you gave him your number. Now he's calling just to say hello and to ask you to dinner. Yeah, you gave him your number. Why'd you give him your number? Screen me, I'm no good for you. I'll take your love and twist it into small misshapen pieces that were once your heart. You gotta screen me, you gotta screen me, you gotta screen me. It's for your own good. It's the police calling you. What did you do? It's the police calling you. It's the police calling you. What did you do? It's the police calling you. It's your vegan friend calling to make you feel bad. Drop that burger where you stand. It's your vegan friend. Pick up the phone, but don't talk about meat. It's your bro friend calling for a mandate. Better pick it up. Sunday afternoon and you were gonna see a movie. ring ring, it's a mandate. If you are not married and I am not married by the time that we are 37, and our friends are all married and our exes are all married, then you and I will get married. Backup plan, backup plan, backup plan, you are my backup plan. That means I like you but hope that I find someone better. La 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 la, says my girlfriend. La 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 la, oh. La 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 la, says my girlfriend. La 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 la, oh. And he's calling your phone.
Alex is back.
it's it's not your birthday. Back to sleep. Shh.
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, it's Christmas.
Oh, yeah, no, it's not Christmas.
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, it's Thursday.
Okay, it might be Thursday. Yeah.
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up,